Aptitude sickness was no joke. My oxygen dropped down to 60% on the final climb. But I didn't give up. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to 2025. I'm so excited to be here with you again, ready to kick off an amazing years of fresh content, inspirations, and tools you can use to achieve your financial independence, one real estate project at a time. But before we dive into what's ahead, I want to take a moment to reflect on 2024. What a year it was. It was a year of blessing, personal growth, and rest. Did you have a good year? So in 2024, I stepped away from creating YouTube videos to focus on urgent family matters. I'm so grateful that my real estate business keep working in the background, providing the freedom and stability I needed to be there for my loved ones. Some of you know the story behind that. Once those pressing matter was resolved, I dedicated the rest of the year to reconnecting with the people and places that truly matter to me. I visited my outstanding teams in Arizona and New Mexico, two states where I made some of my earliest and most impactful real estate investments. Witnessing the growth and transformations in those cities are both exciting and rewarding. Sharing delicious meals and meaningful conversations with the property managers who play a key role in managing my investments was icing on the cake. I also had the privilege of offering one-on-one coaching to a selected group of students who has been eagerly requesting it for years. I say yes to those I knew was committed to reach financial independence, and being part of their journey was an incredibly fulfilling experience. On the more personal note, I finally gave out time to read a few amazing books that has been patiently waiting on my bookshelf for over a year. Crossing them off my list was such a satisfying accomplishment. So some of you may know that we always delay something that we like, right? Because so many things happening. On the personal side, I make 2024 the year of big milestones. In March, I trekked to Mount Everest Base Camp, a lifelong dream before I reached my 50th milestone. It was by far the most challenging hike I ever done. Aptitude sickness was no joke. My oxygen dropped down to 60% on the final climb. But I didn't give up. Through determination, deep breathing, and a lot of lemon water, and even ate a lot of raw garlic, I got my oxygen back to 88% and make it to the base camp the next day. It was truly the experience of a lifetime. In May, my husband and I kick off the celebration of my 50th birthday with unforgettable trip to Egypt, from exploring the art-inspiring Asian history to enjoying a serene cruise along the Nile River. Every moment felt magical. In June, I marked my actual birthday with a month-long celebration alongside my sisters and nieces. Traveling through Singapore, Bali, and Penang Islands, Malaysia, it was the joyous time filled with love, laughter, and memories that I treasure forever. Later, my husband and I visit his birthplace in Laos, spent a meaningful week with his older brother and sister-in-law. They warmly welcome us and show us around, sharing stories and reliving childhood memories. Witnessing their joy was truly heartwarming. By November, my husband and I took a week to rest and recharge in Mexico before we hosting a beautiful Thanksgiving with our family. And for Christmas, I spent time with my loving mom and sister family, while my husband and sons was in Japan celebrating my son's 18th birthday. It's a son's and dad trip, so I love receiving all the beautiful photos and videos. Looking back, I'm so grateful for everything 2024 brought me. Challenges, blessing, and rest. It reminded me of what truly matters in life, my loved ones, my health, and the freedom to focus on both. And that freedom is all thanks to the real estate investing. Starting early in my journey allowed me to build a portfolio that supports my dreams. Here are the quick snapshots as you can see in the photo of my real estate journey. Year 1, I accidentally become a landlord, turned our primary into a rental. And then year 2, I get educated about real estate investment and exchange that to 4 property. Year 3, I invested 2 more property. Year 4, 5 properties. And you can scroll down the whole history so you can pause it and look at it. It's been a journey. As you can see, 1 property at a time, 1 decision at a time. Nothing great happened overnight. But with consistent actions and the right knowledge, financial independence is achievable. On a positive note, several of my students have added 6 figures to their net worth in 2024, and I couldn't be happier for them. The best time to start is now. Whether you are brand new to real estate or looking to grow your portfolio, get educated about real estate investing. 2025 can be your year to take actions. I'm here to share everything I have learned, from strategy to inspirations, so you can create the financial independence you deserve. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss all the incredible content that I plan for this year. Of course, I plan to share a couple of videos a month. Let's make 2025 a year of growth, success, and taking steps toward the life you always wanted. Thank you for being here with me. Let's make this year's extraordinary together. Let's learn, invest, and make a huge impact to the people that you care the most.